In March 1888, New York faced one of the worst snowstorms in its history. The storm began with rain and sleet, then heavy snow started falling. The wind became stronger and stronger. Soon the streets were buried under snow, trains stopped running, telegraph lines went down, and the city began to shut down. By the morning of March 12th, New York was trapped under deep snow. Powerful winds created huge snowdrifts. Some streets became impossible to cross. More than 200 people died in New York City alone. Across the Northeast, more than 400 people died. The Great Blizzard of 1888 became one of the most famous winter disasters in American history.